Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to start making videos again. As you know, Hurricane Beryl passed through. We lost light, then we lost internet, but we got back both last night, so we are able to start making videos again. I hope everybody is safe and nobody experienced any serious damage. Now, I want to ask you guys a question. What do you think of Flow's service and Digicel's service during the storm and right after? Now, the data, that's the internet that you get through your cell phone, did not work during the hurricane. And right after the hurricane, it did not work. Now, I can understand if your landline goes down because those run on a pole and trees can drop on the wires. And if you lose Wi-Fi or broadband because those run on the pole. But your cell phone uses data that comes off of a tower. There are no wires. Yet, the internet through the data on your phone did not work. And guys, if maybe it worked where you were, but in a lot of cases I've heard people say it did not work. Now I think that's bad because these towers are supposed to have generators. They're supposed to be maintained, and especially with a hurricane approaching, more should have been done to ensure that the network stays up. And even after the hurricane, to make a phone call, the calls were dropping, the calls were not going through. And again, that comes off the cell towers. So guys, what do you think about the service of Flow and Digicel in terms of data and voice calls? Let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. Now, this video was taken the day of the hurricane, the Wednesday in the morning. We had made it. This was actually the last video we made before the hurricane, but we weren't able to upload it because we had no light and no internet. So let us know what you think of Flow and Digicel's service during the hurricane in terms of the cell towers. We can understand the service that comes off the wires that run on the poles. They are vulnerable, so they might go down. But the cell towers should not go down. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below, and we will be posting our regular videos every evening because we're up and running again. Alright guys, have a good day.